I'm going to discuss about organization culture, maintenance and development. First of all, I would like to know what is organization behavior. And then what is organization culture? Any idea? It simply means shaping the employees in their organization culture and behave like the organization manner. It's called organization culture. The organization culture created in three ways. First, second, third. It's also called first selection. Second is socialization. And third one is top management. Selection means the founders in the organization only hire the employees who get their values and who believes their values. For example, I passed my degree in Christian college called Nirmali College. In that college, the management of that college only hire and permanently appoint the teachers who are in their religion, like Christians. So only permanently appoint the teachers their beliefs, like their religion. It's called selection. And second one is socialization. Socialization means the founders and the founders of the organization will train the employees, will follow this type of culture. And means this type of culture means the organization culture should be follow the employees in that organization. It's called socialization. For example, we are a professional students. So Sriksha said, cut your hair properly and shave your beard properly. It's our culture. So we should maintain that culture. It's called socialization. It's like that train them, train for future. And third one is, Ratan Tata is a famous businessman. So the employees of the organization will chance to imitate Ratan Tata's culture, behavior, values, etc. If that is the top management or third way. Next one is how the organization will form. First one is philosophy of organization founders. Then next one is selection criteria. And then top management and socialization. In that way, it's formed cultural organization culture. In this graph, philosophy of organization founders means their values, which type of beliefs they follow, like that. Then the selection criteria means in every organization, they hire the employees on their ability, knowledge, their qualification, etc. In that way, they select the employees to the organization. Then the socialization and top management should be followed. Socialization means already I told. Socialization means train the employees of the organization what they follow, what culture should be followed, and like that. This is called socialization. Top management means I already told the Ratan Tata imitation their employees. In that way, the organization culture should be formed. Then how employees learn their culture. Any idea how the employees should be learn the culture? Suhail?
Their experiences
Their stories, rituals, materials, symbols, like that. Stories means the past event happened in the organization. Like in any organization, any harassment should be happen. How the employees and management should protect them like that. That is called the past events happen in the organization called stories. Next means rituals. Rituals means what they beliefs, uh, what their religions like that. Material and symbols means the equality of uh, women and men. The um, how they behave, woman and are considered woman and boy, men or woman. It's called material symbols. Then last one is language. Language means what language they use in the organization. Thank you.